Going for a haircut. That's, I guess, the song. I'll sing this time. No, we'll call it Haircut in the Rain. That makes more sense. Haircut in the rain, not vertical, horizontal. Haven't done an actual song in so long. This doesn't count, but it's a nice medium that we can do. Until I take a guitar out again, I'll probably do it tomorrow. I am not filled with sorrow. This is a silly enterprise I take upon myself, but I will promise you I'll do more work, I'll try to. And it'll be better than walking in the rain, the rain, the rain. The rain, the rain. The rain, the rain. Gonna do what I can do to do something a little more substantive, more romantic, not as pedantic. I'll even wait 3 seconds in the car before I start driving off and see where we are. But we're gonna get a haircut in a rainstorm. Gonna see what we do, what we want, what we knew. Anyway, I want to thank you. If you're still listening right now, you shouldn't be. It's really not a good song. You shouldn't be. There's no instruments to sing along, but this is me, and I hit 2 minutes now. So let's just say thank you and peace out.